Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Instagram Reels videos for free. Very easy guys, very simple, just couple of clicks. Let's launch the Instagram app and find a video that we want to download. For example, let's say we want to download, maybe not this video. Let's say we want to download this video over here, okay? Click on the three dots on the top right corner of the video. Then you want to click on the link button, which is situated on the upper right, the second button. We just copy the link on our clipboard. Now let's move to the easier step, which is number 2. Go ahead on Google Chrome and look for this app over here. It's called Publer.io. You want to click on this. When you're at Publer.io, I want you to paste the link and click download. This is how simple it is. Why this app is preferable? Well, as you can see over here, no ads, no watermarks, no registration. You have two options after the video is downloaded over here. You can either download it or you can simply post it. I haven't used the post function. You can simply download it and then go ahead and do whatever you'd like with the video, okay? This is how simple it is to download Instagram Reels for free. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.